So here is my XPS15 that I brought in mercadolivre.com, and here is the data you might need to give me support. And so let's turn it on. So I turn it on here. The sound is actually coming from the television, but I will pause it when I'm going to test the sound here. Okay, so let me type my password because this medal doesn't come with. Okay, so you can see the sound works fine. I'll put a video here. Okay, let me just. There's one that the same that is there. Okay, the sound works fine, and the speakers in the case are now working, and I will plug this headjack here. So, okay, detected, plugged something there. Okay, there is no sound here now. It's okay, I know, I understand, I have to select here. So, okay, selected, sound came here. You can hear it. But the problem happens now. I unplug here, it detects, but no sound. And there is no way to recover from this state other than using the shutdown function. To have the sound back, I need to go here and go shut down. Restart will not work. The sound, if will work using this again without a restart. It detects, but I have to select. Once I select here, so the sound is now outputting from the earphone, but nothing here. So I will restart just to demonstrate that restarting doesn't fix the problem. I will not pause to just show that. You hear that sound? This is not normal. Again, this doesn't happen when the sound is working properly. See? Okay, type my password. Okay, so you can see no sound coming out here. There is no fun. I will play again a song here. Okay, that same song. Okay, so it is playing, but okay, I pause it. It's playing, but no sound. See, I will connect here, and I need to select, and now the sound is working here in this thing. But no way of making the sound come back from the speakers. Okay, so to make it work in the speakers, I need to do this: shut down the machine. Okay, you did shut down. You see? Now, no more strange sounds. and everything will work perfectly until I put this in the head jack here, until I try to use this, then again it will not work. Let me demonstrate it. Okay, see here. Now it works, and I will. Oops, not ready. Here. YouTube. Okay, that same song again. And as you can see, let's make it stop working again. Oh my god, what happened now? I don't know what happened now, but something happened. Song is working here. And now it works. But now it stopped working. Okay. So there is something with this thing here, with the hardware, that makes some, I guess, interference. I'm not sure what happened there, but now it stopped working. So I don't know what to do now, how you're going to fix this, but this way I'm probably unable to use this notebook because I needed to make a lot of video calls and I use these things. I connect things in this place here and work. By the way, I always use this thing in my other Dell notebook and work it without problems. So please, can I have this problem fixed and I don't have to change the notebook to other company? Okay, thank you.